This is the TI-36X Pro. Now, let's look at the 5-number summary. So I have them in the list, okay, 1 through 19. And the 5-number summary, if you remember, is first finding the median, right? So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this is the easy way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. This is the median, right? And this is the one that we use. Then to find the middle of the middle, we don't find this. So 1, we don't use 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 1. So the first quartile is 5. This is the min, right? And then we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. 15 is the third quartile and the max, right? So we have the numbers here by hand, but let's do it by the calculator. So we click on data. Now I put the numbers in there, 1 through 19. So you might want to pause the video. You also might want to delete. And if you don't know how to do that, watch my previous videos. I show you how to delete the data. You just press here and you go down to delete all. But I entered all the data in here. So this is still one variable. So I can click on the stats distribution. So second data. It's one variable. Enter. This is important. It's L1 and 1. 1 meaning it doesn't repeat itself in terms of like there's no second column in the data, right? It's single and an L1. Sometimes these other ones are highlighted. You don't want that. And then here for this particular example, and then you press enter, 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 and then we scroll down to find the 5-number summary. So the min, true, 1. The first quartile, 5, good. The median, 10, excellent. The quartile number 3, good. And the max. Now, the way I did it here, where I did not include the 10, that is a process that your teacher's going to have to show you if they include the 10 or not. Because I did not include the 10, I started here to find the third quartile. But now you know how to use your calculator to put this information in there.